Let's take a look at some of the problems that come up when you're working with multicam in the cut page. By far, the biggest issue that comes up all the time in the cut page is audio. You'll do something like add a clip from the sync bin. And let's say it comes in on a new track. And you play it back
at the bike trail area, just so it's outside.
And for whatever reason, the audio isn't coming through, or it's using the wrong audio or something like that. I won't pretend to know exactly how the cut page handles all the audio. It still seems a little weird to me, but a couple things to know is that it kind of wants to keep something with sync audio like this. It's helpful to just mute your video tracks so that you aren't duplicating the audio. Also, sometimes it will just put the audio on a weird track or make a new audio track. And again, it doesn't show you all the audio tracks. It only shows you some of them. And so to check out what the heck is happening, you usually have to go over to the edit page and see where it, for some reason, put each audio track. So this one goes on audio 3, and our production meeting audio is on audio 4, which in the cut page is on audio 1. So you can see how this would be confusing, but long story short, if you go over to the edit page, you can get rid of the audio that you don't want, get rid of the tracks that you don't want by right-clicking and saying delete empty tracks. And now you have just the audio that you want and just the video that you want. And you can switch back over to the cut page and things are beautiful. So as great as the cut page is for a lot of things, sometimes you have to go over to the edit page to kind of tweak things. The other problem that you might have sometimes is if you just hit the wrong edit button. So if we go to our sync bin and we scrub through and we pick a part that we like where they're talking and we say, okay, let's put that where it's supposed to be. And then we hit place on top. What that's going to do is place this on top, but it's not going to be at the right place. It's just going to be wherever our playhead was.
Video được Việt hóa bởi Ngọc Tân từ group
And so now,
It's all close-ups.
this isn't synced up. And that's just because we hit place on top with our playhead somewhere random. So if we want to take advantage of that special sync trick, we got to make sure that we hit source overwrite. Then it will find the place it's supposed to be and put it right where it's supposed to go.
We don't have some. Sick. We'll have to wait until we have that, and then we can show you guys something.
I'm so excited.
Yay!
Those are really some of the main problems I've run into with the cut page, and I hope going over them is helpful for you.